Right, welcome back. Now it's time to take out the engine and switch over some parts to the new engine. But first, I'm gonna fix the exhaust because I want to make it a bit nicer. I think these are a little too small, so I am thinking of switching them out with this type, bit bigger. Maybe I can get a little nicer, deeper sound too. That would be a plus. So yeah, I'm gonna do that before I take the engine out. So that's what's gonna happen this time. Let's go. A detachable rear apron is nice to have. Easy access. So yeah, recommend. Right, let's do some cutting. And now the other side. Now it's just to mark up where I want them, and yeah, fine cut. Like that. Right, is this what you call a hack job? Sweet. Yeah. Now I just need to shrink these parts a little. Now I made notch there and there. Now I'm gonna try to shrink them a little. Like that. Sweet. Now it's just to grind up and start welding. But first I'm gonna mask up a little so I don't ruin the paint too much. Right, now I'm ready to spot weld them on. So let's see how that goes. Yep, which is good. So now I'm ready to take off the exhaust and make that done, and take out the engine. So yep, progress. First task is to take off the rear bumper. Right? Now I'm gonna take the exhaust off and yeah, finish it. So yeah, let's take it off. Right, let's finish this thing. Right, well done. Now just grind and paint. Let's paint it. I'm happy with this. Sweet.